So the next level is going to be Sophia over here. Ooh, I need to spell that correctly. Sophia. And the password, let me grab the password. All right, so here we are. This is the HackMyVM.eu CTF labs, Venus CTF labs. And we are the Sophia user. And the first thing we need to do is we need to read the mission.txt file to figure out what we need to do to solve this level. So we're just going to cat mission.txt. This is mission 2. And the message says the user Angela has saved her password in a file, but she does not remember where. She only remembers that the file was called whereismypas.txt. So what we need to do is we need to search the file system for this file over here with this particular name, whereismypas.txt. So the way we would do that in Linux is using the find command. So we would do find, and then we would search the entire file system like this. And then we would search for a name, which we can specify with -name. Then copy the name of the file here and paste that in. So the last thing we need to do before we run this command is we need to give this little portion here. And this portion here is going to take all of the error messages that we might generate from running this command, and we're going to throw them out, basically, by outputting these to the dev null file here. So the reason we do this is because we're going to generate a lot of errors because there are a lot of files that we don't have access to on the system. And when we run the find command, it's going to give us an error message each time there's a file that we can't access. So we're going to include this part right here so we don't have to look at all those error messages. So when we run this command, we're going to see that the file is located at this directory right here. So this is the file path. So the user share directory, share directory, where's my pass.txt. So to solve the level, we just need to read this file. So we're just going to copy the file path here. And then we're going to do cat and then space and then paste in the file path. Okay, after we do that, we see that this is the password for the next level. So this is the password for the next level, and the user associated with that level is the Angela user. So just going to copy this password. And so before we solve this, before we finish with this level, let's do a little bit of an after action report. So we're just going to go over to and edit this file over here. This was the Sophia level. So the target user that we need to get the password for was the Angela user. And the method of solve was search for a certain file name using the find command. And the key command in this case was this one right here. Okay. All right, so that was the, whoops, where are we? So that was the, that was mission number 2, the Sophia level from the Venus Labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on like and subscribe on the video and leave a comment down below. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.